Hello, viewers. Welcome to English Grammar Test. Test your English skills. You will have 6 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
Question 1. Lily dash her umbrella at home again. A. Forgot. B. Forget. C. Forgetting. Question 2. The opposite of polite is A. Rude. B. Kind. C. Silent. Question 3. They dash watching a movie when I called. A is B, or C was. Question 4. You must dash your hands before eating. A. Wash. B. Washes. C. Washing. Question 5. Which word means to repair? A. Break. B. Fix. C. Crash. Question 6. He is dash than his brother. A. Strong. B. Stronger. C. Strongest. Question 7. We arrived dash the airport late. A. At B. In C. On. Question 8. She dashed the piano beautifully. A. Play. B. Plays. C. Playing. Question 9. The plural of child is A. Childs. B. Children. C. Children. Question 10. Which word means to shout loudly in fear or pain? A. Whisper. B. Scream. C. Smile. Question 11. Tommy dash eat vegetables when he was a kid. A. Didn't. B. Doesn't. C. Wasn't. Question 12. We stayed indoors dash it was raining. A. So B because C, but. Question 13. Who dashed the window yesterday? A. Break. B. Broken. C. Broke. Question 14. You should not dash in the exam. A. Cheat. B. Teach. C. Chat. Question 15. My phone is not working, it's dash. A. Dead. B. Weak. C. Loose. Question 16. We dash going to the zoo next weekend. A is B or C was. Question 17. A person who writes books is a dash. A. Driver. B. Singer. C. Writer. Question 18. Where dash you born? A. Did B or C. Were? Question 19. She sings as dash as a bird. A. Sweet. B. Sweetly. C. Sweeter. Question 20. Which word means extremely big? A. Tiny. B. Huge. C. Little. Question 21. They dash lunch when I arrived. A. Have. B. Were having. C. Has. Question 22. Ali goes to the gym dash day. A. Some. B. Every. C. Few. Question 23. Which is the correct negative sentence? A. I no go. B. I don't go. C. I not go. Question 24. She looked tired dash she hadn't slept. A. So B because C. Although. Question 25. I dash speak 3 languages. A. Can. B. Should. C. Need. Question 26. Which word means move quickly? A. Run. B. Sleep. C. Read. Question 27. You must dash your seatbelt in the car. A. Fast. B. Fix. C. Fasten. Question 28. Jack always dashes homework before dinner. A. Done. B. Do. C. Does. Question 29. He drives very dash. A. Carefully. B. Careful. C. Careless. Question 30. The teacher asked the students to be dash. A. Silence. B. Silent. C. Silently. Question 31. Which word means to stop living? A. Cry. B. Die. C. Lie. Question 32. Do you know dash to swim? A. How. B. What. C. Where. Question 33. The cake smells dash. A. Delicious. B. Deliciously. C. Delight. Question 34. He dashed to school by bus. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Going. Question 35. I have not seen her dash Monday. A. From B. Since C. For. Question 36. Which is the correct question? A. Do she like tea? B. Does she like tea? C. Does she likes tea? Question 37. The opposite of noisy is A. Calm. B. Quiet. C. Loud. Question 38. She dashed a letter when the power went out. A writes B was writing C. Right? Question 39. He speaks dash than his brother. A. Fluent. B. More fluently. C. Fluently. Question 40. I have two brothers. One is tall. Dash is short. A. Other. B. Another. C. The other. Question 41. I bought this book dash $5. A for B with C at. Question 42. My parents always dash me to work hard. A. Tell B, advise C, shout. Question 44. Would you like some dash? A. Waters. B. Water. C. Watery. Question 44. Would you like some dash? A. Waters. B. Water. C. Watery. Question 45. The birds dash flying in the sky. A is B or C was. Question 46. What is the opposite of early? A. Late. B. Fast. C. Short. Question 47. Which sentence is correct? A. I seen that movie. B. I saw that movie. C. I seen that movie. Question 48. This bag is too dash to carry. A. Heavy. B. Huge. C. Hard. Question 49. We dash a picnic if it doesn't rain. A. Will have. B. Has. C. Have. Question 50. I dash like to eat ice cream in summer. A. Often. B. Seldom. C. Never.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.